So for the first one, if I give you, if I say -3 plus 8, I told you anytime you have this type, you don't need to go to number lines. Just use the idea, the analogy, what I told you that time, by comparing -3 to what? To what you are owing. You are owing 3 and +8 here as what you have, what belongs to you. So when you owe me 3 mangoes and you have 8 mangoes with you, so by the time you make the payments, what do we have left? By the time you give me, because what you have is more than what you are owing. What do we have here? As a
what we have left is +4.
It's +5. You want to say +5, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is +5. So for the second one, we have -7 and -6. The analogy here is that you use the practical example of I'm owing 7, I'm also owing 6. How much am I owing altogether?
So we are owing -13 altogether.
-13. So for number 3, we have 6 minus 10. What should that give us?
So then 10. Okay, so this is going to give us -4.
-4. Then number 4, we have 9. The positive one is 9, while the negative is 1. What do we have?
Oh, +8.
+8. What do we have here?
We have left -1.
-1. Very good. And
Let's be ready.
what should this one give you?
Right.
You have 0, meaning that you don't have anything, and you are owing me $15. So what would be the result?
We will still be owing -15.
Very good. So we quickly move on to the multiplication aspect of it. You know, all these ones, we use the analogy of what you have and what you are owing, things like that, to facilitate the solution. So the next aspect is, if you ask, suppose it is -3 to multiply +8, what should that be? So under multiplication, I told you, you are using laws of multiplication. If you say plus times plus, it will give you plus. Minus times minus will give you what?
And plus.
Plus. Why? Because they are two same signs multiplying. So it will be plus. But if there are two different signs multiplying, it will be negative. Negative times positive, negative. Positive times negative, negative. So this one is negative 3 times positive 8. So the answer will be what?
Um, okay, so, okay, so our answer is going to be negative 24.
Yes, that's negative 24. What about negative 6 multiplying negative 5?
That's going to be positive 40.
Negative 1 multiplying 0.
This is going to be, yeah, this is still going to be negative 1.
What is any number multiplying 0 will give you what? If any number is multiplying 0, what will be the result?
It's going to be 0.
Okay, what is now negative 1 times 0?
0.
0. I never say negative 0. I told you before that negative is a neutral number. It's neither positive nor negative. I mean, 0 is a neutral number. It's neither positive nor negative. Don't say positive 0 or negative 0. Is that clear?
Yes. I should really get my own bit.
What is 7 times negative 4?
So this is going to be negative 28.
Negative 28. Good.
I should probably take some ice before that man takes it. That's my home needs to have that. 20.
18 times negative 1.
Um, this is going to be negative 18.
Yes. And lastly, negative 20 divided by 5, positive 5.
Um,
I hope you remember that the law of multiplication for signs is the same thing as law of division for signs. So if you say negative divided by positive, it will be what?
oh, oh, that's going to be negative.
Negative, because two different signs dividing. Negative divided by positive is negative, and 20 divided by 5
Is 4.
is
4.
4. So the result is negative 4. Okay, quickly copy that.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Now, we want to include letters now. If I have 2e minus 6e, this one you interpret it as you have 2e and you are holding 6e. What will be the result?
So our result is going to be 7.
You have
E.
2, you are holding 6.
Oh. Okay, so our result would be negative 4e square.
No. This is not multiplication. Just write the letter the way it appears, and the letter must be the same. Is it clear? It's like,
Yes.
this one is like 2 apples taking away 6 apples. So you won't see apple square at the end of the day. So it will be negative 4 apples.
Yeah.
Are you tired now?
No.
Sorry, the class will soon end.
Okay.
5x minus 4x.
5x minus. Okay, so this is going to be 1x.
1x, because you have 5 and you are holding 4. What you have is more than what you are holding. You take away what you are holding, you will still have something left that is yours. So 1x is simply written as x. Negative 7y, negative 3y.
Okay, so this is going to be negative 10y.
Negative 10y. That's correct. This one, you are holding this. The second one too, you are holding them. So it's like negative 7y plus negative 3y. You add the two depths together, and that will give you negative 10y. Three plus 8p.
This is going to be isn't this going to be not like terms?
Exactly, because they are not of the same kind, not like terms. They are not like terms. Suppose this one has p. Suppose this 3 has p. Now suppose it's 3p plus 8p. It would have been 11p. Or suppose the value we're giving here, it was 3 plus 8. It would have been 11. But they are not of the same kind.
Yeah.
So if you have 0 minus 2m,
Um, this is going to be not like tones.
it's going to be no. For this one, 0 is special. There's nothing like 0m in the first place. Therefore, you see this one as if you don't have anything, but you are owing 3m. This one here, you have 3, you now have 8p. But the kind you have here is different from the kind you have here. You can't put them together. So that is why we say no like terms. But for this one, 0 simply means you don't have anything at that moment. So, and for this one, negative 2m, and you are owing someone 2m. So
Well,
the answer will still be what? Negative
me-
2m.
I don't know.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So lastly, if you have negative 4x times 5y, what should this give you?
Okay. Okay. So
Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I don't want to include multiplication yet. This I want to say plus. Sorry about that. Negative 4x plus 5y. Not multiplication yet.
okay. So okay. So this is
You are owing 4x and you have 5y.
yeah. This is not like terms.
They are not like terms. Two different letters. They cannot go together. So not like terms. This not like terms means your answer remains like this. That's what it means. This one too. If you are simplifying an expression and you get to this level, you cannot move any further. So you stop there. That's the answer. Exactly. That's what we mean by it's not like terms. So you cannot simplify them further. You stop there. Now, the
Yeah.
second part of our class now is suppose you now have 2e is multiplying negative 6e. 2e to multiply negative 6e. What will be the result?
Okay. 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 So this is going to be okay. So this is going to be negative 12e squared.
Very good. Very good. Absolutely correct. Can you explain how you got this?
Yeah. Okay. So as we can see, if we look at our signs, it's times. So we are
Okay.
going to times the 2e and negative 6e. But so like if you look at the 2e, like it's like positive 2e and and the 6e is negative 6e. So plus times negative equals positive. I mean
No, equals
negative.
negative, yes.
Yeah, because they're like
Two different.
go. Yeah, two different signs.
Okay.
So okay, so we got negative. So now we just have to times the 12 and the 6, but like we still have the e deal. So we're just going to yeah, I know this. So we
If we now multiply two same letter, the idea is that we use what we
oh
call loss of indices. The power of this one is 1, the power of this one is 1. When you are multiplying same letter, what do you do with their power?
you add them.
You add them. So that's why we have e to the power of 2. Very correct. So number 2. you have 5x to multiply negative 4x. What do we have here?
Okay, so we're going to get negative 20x to the power x to the power 2.
Absolutely correct. Number 3, we have negative 7y to multiply negative 3y. Another way of showing multiplication, instead of me to write it this way, so examiner may prefer to give you in parentheses, in brackets. Bracket to also perform the function of multiplication. Is that clear? For example,
Yes.
maybe I have a number 7, open your parentheses, 3 minus 2y. So this implies that this 7 outside the brackets is to multiply everything inside, all the terms inside the brackets. So the bracket 2 performs the function of multiplication. So what do we have there? Negative 7y to multiply negative 3y.
So, okay, okay, so our answer is going to be positive, um, positive, tw- tw- positive 21y square.
Positive 21y squared. That is correct. If you have 3 to multiply 8p, what will be the results?
Um, but we can choose more like times and multiplication. Okay.
You know, when you are multiplying, there's nothing like, they are not like terms. So you still
Yeah. Okay.
multiply A
Yeah.
and
So we
B.
have.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have to times them. So like that is going to give us 24p.
24p. And you know their sign already, positive times positive is positive. So, and 3 times 8 is 24. So the p will be there together. 24p. That's correct.
Okay.
0 to multiply negative 2m.
Oh, so this is going. So this is. Oh, this is going to be 0.
0. Correct. How do you know? You know 0 times anything is 0, right?
Yes.
Of sign or whatever. Don't say plus times minus. When you see 0 multiply anything, no matter how big the term is, the answer is simply 0. And lastly, for today, negative 4x to multiply 5y.
Okay. 20. Okay, so the answer is going to be negative 20xy.
Very good. Can you explain your results? That's absolutely correct.
Okay, so we start off by looking at the sign. So we can see it's multiplication. So we will look at the 4. So it's negative x, 4x, and we will look at the 5, and that's 5y. Since we know that we can't like do not like terms in multiplication, we just have to like 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 times them still. So negative times positive, as you can still see here, equals negative. So now let's times the 5 and the 4, the negative 4x and the 5y. So 4 times 5 equals 20, and it's not like we can like add the x and the y. So we just leave the like x and the y like that. So that will like give us negative 20xy.
Very good. You are correct. If you multiply A and B, A times B will give you what?
Well, and can I say again?
I say if you are multiplying A, letter A and B, if you are multiplying them, if I give you A times B, what will that give you?
Um, AB.
AB, correct. If you are to add A and B, A plus B, what will it give you?
Oh, wait, so there's still saying that not like two.
Not like terms, yes. But they are two different things. When you are to add or subtract, you must ensure that they are basically the same kind. But when you are multiplying, nobody cares. Multiplication is possible. All right. So I want to give you, quickly copy down the solution, then I'll give you assignments.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Number one,
Um, um, so I picked the sleepy. Oh, happy. I'm not late. I just want. Before he says it, I can check. So stop it. Okay, I'm not doing this to them. Oh, yes. 13. I don't.
So that's the assignment.
Oh, awesome. And I.
When you're done typing, let me
And then. Okay, I'm done.
All right. Can you quickly recheck everything you've copied down to ensure you didn't make any mistake anywhere?
Okay.